Check this out, this is the 180 AC, DC, TIG and stick welder from CIGWELD. This is a compact unit capable of welding mild steel, stainless steel and aluminium, all from a 10 amp 240 volt outlet. It makes it really versatile, but also highly mobile at just 12 kilograms total weight. The included TIG torch has got a 4-meter cable, which is plenty of reach, and you can adjust the amperage on the torch to save your legs from walking back and forth to the welder. Also included in the kit is a set of consumables to get that TIG torch up and running. There's the leads for the stick welder, as well as a hose and regulator. So you can get it out of the box, get yourself set up and welding in no time. And if you need argon, we've got that in store as well. CIGWELD's changed the display lights from red to blue, which is much easier to see outside and in bright light. It's also got a really simple interface to use too. You can set it to pulse in AC or DC at the press of a button. Same with the 2T and 4T latch functionality. And then with the big knob, you just press it and select the mode, make adjustments, press it again to lock those adjustments in. This unit features VRD, which is an important safety feature. When you select stick mode, you'll see that it lights up to let you know that VRD is on. It's a great little welder. It's got plenty of power, it's mobile, it's versatile, and it pairs really nicely with the new ProLite Auto-Darkening helmet as well. Check out the entire CIGWELD range at your local Sydney Tools store or online, sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.